it's Miss Hake back for some numeracy. I'm going to show you a couple of center activities or some activities you can do with numbers 20 to 30 as we're learning counting up from 20. So attached you'll have some numbers, cards that are 20 to 30. You're going to shuffle them up and you're going to give your learner a lot of space. Then you're going to maybe set a timer and see if they can put them in order. So here we go. Okay, Miss Hake. 23. Do you see that? 28. 22. 21. How am I doing? 24. 29. 25. 30. I've got 27. Move it all down. 26 and then 20 at the start. Oh, it's so long you can't see it. But I got them all in order. There's a little snake for ya. Obviously, you're going to take your time and you're going to really concentrate on getting them in order. The second center idea is for them to pull a number. A 2 and a 5. How can you make or show me 25? Well, I'm going to show you one way. Watch. 2 and a 5, 25. Oh, you're going to be as creative as you can. Maybe you'll collect 25 things. Maybe you'll do 25 jumping jacks. Maybe you'll do 25 touching your toes. Maybe you'll find the number 25 somewhere in the room. I don't know. But make that activity super duper fun. How can you show me? Oh, I got 25 again. How can you show me 30? How can you show me 30? I'm looking around. How can you show me 30? Oh, I've got it. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Just showed you 30. All right. Think about all the possible ways you can have so much fun with these number cards. Ordering them, showing them, using your body, yelling out, okay, if it's a whole group thing, okay, we're going to do this many jumping jacks. Then you're going to pull a number and then you can count together. You can get so creative with this, but have so much fun counting up from 20 to 30. Nice work, and I'll see you soon.